Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. My name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some top spring 2022 hair color trends. The first one is going to feature this gorgeous platinum bob. Platinum hair color hues as a whole is definitely starting to really gain some momentum. We're seeing this hair color everywhere. And a lot of the times you will be seeing it in short shaven hairstyles. That seems to be a huge trend right now, especially on TikTok and Instagram. But you can also find platinum for different hairstyles such as this bob. And we're also seeing it worn for longer hairstyles as well. So if you really want to experiment with just kind of lightening your hair and brightening it up, it is a color that can be worn on many different ethnicities and hair textures. Next up, we are definitely still seeing that split dye trend circulating around. It's being mixed up with different color variations, and of course that is thanks to TikTok once again. And we're really just kind of seeing this played in different hair textures, curly, straight, it doesn't matter, as long as you are able to showcase having two different colors on either side of your head. And then if you guys already follow this channel, you know that money piece highlights are going to be huge for 2022. This is a look at a very soft blonde. It's not even really that noticeable, but I think that this is a very subtle way to pull off this trend. If you are looking just to bring some attention to your eyes, this soft blonde variation would be a great look. And then we are seeing a more drastic money piece highlight variation here. You guys will see later on in the video that I have a clip of a chunky piece highlights that are definitely coming back as well. And this is kind of that blonde and brunette combo that's really popular this season. So if you wanted to pull that off with a softer look, this would be how you would do it. So another trend that we're really going to be seeing this season is the pop of color. It really has to do with being inspired with the skunk stripe trend. As you guys know, I've already covered that topic on this channel. But the pop of color is really just a variation and a play on that particular trend. And it involves showcasing a gorgeous pop of color on your hair. I really like this trend because it's a way to showcase color without having to commit to dyeing your whole entire head. And I think that this is a brilliant way to just showcase a little bit of color. You could do any variation that you wanted to. And of course, it works for all ethnicities and hair textures. And here is a classic black and white combo of that trend. Absolutely love it. And then we have the rose gold hair trend. We're seeing a lot of pastels, and in particular, a lot of pinks and rose gold color variations. Next, of course, we have bleach. This is definitely a hair trend that hasn't been going anywhere for the past few seasons. It's a great way to brighten up your skin and just kind of add that highlight to your undertone if you want to kind of make a statement with your hair color. Bleach is definitely the way to do it. And then last, we have the chunky highlights. This trend just showcases big sections of colored hair. And we're mostly seeing this done with blonde and black variations or blonde and brunette variations. Definitely a play on that 90s throwback trend that we're seeing this season. So if you want to make a bold statement, definitely try out chunky highlights. All right, everyone, so that is it for this video. Which hair color trend is your favorite? Leave me your thoughts in the comments below, and I will talk to you in the next one.